Lightning dollar link. Free game bonus. 250 bet on a 5-cent denomination. 6 spins. Bonus in the bonus. Oh, come on. Wilds. Good, got kings. Yes, we're in the bonus. Oh my gosh. Wow, we just fill in 2 spots. Let's go. Yeah, let's fill in that last one. Oh, I don't see anything in there. Last spin. Got 3 more spins. Let's do it again. Wow. Alright, $67 win on that bonus. 3 more spins. Do it again. Do it again. 4 more. 4 more. Oh. Wasted wilds. Last spin. Wilds. For trigger. Oh. $94 win on a 250 bet. Lightning dollar link.